A page with zero real internal links pointing to it is genuinely harder for Google to even find. Let's fix that. Internal links help Google discover pages and understand which ones you consider genuinely important. Descriptive anchor text is a real, direct signal about what the linked page is actually about, and an orphan page with no real internal links pointing to it can be nearly impossible for Google to find at all. This is one of the few ranking factors entirely within your own real, direct control. Click here tells Google genuinely nothing about the destination page. It's a real, wasted opportunity. This real, descriptive anchor text is a direct signal about the linked page's actual topic. Your real highest traffic page passes more genuine authority than one link buried on a page nobody visits. A page with no internal links pointing to it is genuinely harder for Google to discover and rank at all. Adding just a few real, relevant internal links can genuinely bring a previously invisible page into Google's crawl path. Breadcrumbs create real internal links automatically on every page and can even show up directly in search results. A page with this many internal links genuinely dilutes the value each individual one passes. Linking with real purpose, only where it genuinely helps the reader, keeps each link's value meaningful. Linking deep to a real content page, not just defaulting to the homepage, is what actually helps that page rank. Next, what Google's real algorithm actually rewards in 2026.